Chapter 1. A Foundation in Secret Combinations. President Ezra Taft Benson wrote, "The sad and shocking story of what has happened in America in recent years must be told. Our people must have the facts. There is safety in an informed public. There is real danger in a complacent, uninformed citizenry. This is our real danger today. Yes, the truth must be told, even at the risk of destroying in large measure the influence of men who are widely respected and loved by the American people. The stakes are high. Freedom and survival is the issue." Joel Skousen wrote that many people are conditioned to a certain value system that does not include deceit or expendability of human life and cannot conceive that anyone or any group could ascribe to such practices. The Book of Mormon, however, is laden with examples of Gadiantonism. The Gadianton robbers were a secret, murderous band whose goal was to rule and do according to their wills, that they might gain and glory, and that they might the more easily commit adultery and steal and kill. Their activities were cited frequently in Scripture as the primary secret combination during Nephite times. While it may be difficult for members of the LDS Church to fathom such mentality, evidence of modern-day Gadiantonism is also plentiful and must not be ignored. However, since concealment is the very backbone of secret combinations, this evidence simply is not found in today's news magazines or on popular television news channels. For this reason, as repugnant as secret combinations and their acts are, it is vital to the mission of Latter-day Saints to discover and unmask them. Book of Mormon prophets have given readers ample testimony of these individuals, their goals, and their methodologies, yet for many of us, dwelling on satanic Gadiantonism can be demoralizing. I have often turned to others and said, "I wish that I didn't know what I knew. I wish that I could look at a history book without reading between the lines, or listen to a political speech without cynicism, or hear a news broadcast without wondering about the rest of the story." Yet once having awakened to our awful situation, we have been directed by the Lord to waste and wear out our lives in bringing to light the hidden things of darkness, and this should be attended to with great earnestness.